Measures in place to avert possible power outages during Atuabo plant maintenance. Energy Ministry. The Ministry of Energy and Green Transition has announced a 2-week maintenance shutdown of the Atuabo Gas Processing Plant from August 16th to August 30th. The maintenance, aimed at ensuring the continued safe and reliable operation of the plant, will require the suspension of gas supply during the period. In a statement dated August 11th and signed by the ministry's spokesperson and head of communications, Richmond Rockson, it said measures had been put in place to avert possible power outages. The Ministry of Energy and Green Transition has approved a request by the Ghana National Gas Company Limited, Ghana Gas, to undertake a scheduled maintenance shutdown of the Atuabo Gas Processing Plant from the 16th of August 2025 to the 30th of August 2025. This essential maintenance is part of government's commitment to ensuring the continued safe and reliable operation of the plant. Ghana Gas will temporarily suspend the supply of gas within the stated period to facilitate this maintenance, the statement read in part. It added, during this period, the plant will undergo critical maintenance activities designed to enhance its operational efficiency and overall performance. These activities include inspections, repairs, and upgrades to key equipment and systems. The ministry, in collaboration with key power sector players, has put in place comprehensive measures to mitigate any potential impact on power supply during the maintenance period. These measures include the strategic deployment of alternative fuel sources to ensure a stable and uninterrupted electricity supply across the country.